everybody? Welcome back to another episode of 100 Proof Emma, and today I have the great privilege of showing you how to make the most delicious rose water lemon drop martini. Now, you might not have ever heard of rose water, but it's actually a very calming, very tranquil kind of beverage, and I just mixed it in with my vodka and my lemon. It's really a very easy recipe, and I can't think of a better place to have it than either poolside or at the spa with your girls or a masseuse or a masseur. Anyway, follow along and I know that you'll love it too.
First of all, you're going to use 3 ounces of vodka. I'm choosing to use Silver Green vodka. It's a really delicious boutique vodka out of Oxnard, California, and I love to support our locals. Then I'm going to use 2 ounces of just pure rose water. You can find this on Amazon. It's really actually quite easy to find. And a splash of blue agave, and of course 1 ounce of lemon juice. So first of all, you can use any kind of glassware for this, but obviously I would suggest a martini. I'm rubbing the rim along with a citrus segment, and today I chose lemon. And then for my garnish, for the sugar rim, I actually went ahead and cut up rose petals. It's gonna be really pretty.
Like the spa.
Okay, so we are starting with lemon.
That's 3 ounces of the vodka.
And we're gonna do 2 ounces of the rose water. Guys, rose water is super potent, just to let you know. That's not a bad thing, I just want you not to be surprised.
And then I'm going to end with a splash of agave.
Not too much, not too much. Okay, there you go. Rose water lemon drop martini. And a rose petal float on top.
Rose water, lemon drop martini. Let's try it out together. Oh my God. Let me have another. Okay, yeah. Yes, and I mean, it did its magic. I'm being transported right back to the spa. I guarantee if you have one of these, you're gonna end up just like me in a spa too. So, toodaloo to all of our magical spas coming up, and stay tuned and join me at